In front of me is HMD XR21 and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode. Begin by opening settings and scrolling down to hit system. Then tap on gestures and tap on one-handed mode over here. Now you can either use this switcher next to use one-handed mode to activate it and then pull down from the bottom of your screen to enter it. Or if you are using tricky navigation, you need to go back. Click on this switcher next to one-handed mode shortcut instead and tap on OK. Then use one-handed mode by clicking on the shortcut. You can disable it by tapping on the same switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!